Please note that the content shown in the following video may differ depending on the market and vehicle equipment. Active brake assist can help you to minimize the risk of a collision or to reduce the effects of such a collision. It can detect vehicles, cyclists, and pedestrians, and depending on the situation, reacts with warnings or autonomous braking. Active brake assist is automatically activated when the vehicle is switched on. If there are no restrictions, it is fully available after a short period. In the multimedia system, under Settings, Assistance, Collision Avoidance, you can switch off active brake assist. However, this is not recommended. Select the gear wheel symbol next to Active Brake Assist to set the point at which a warning or brake application occurs to early, medium, or late. Active Brake Assist warns you about a risk of collision by issuing a warning tone as well as by means of a distance warning lamp in the driver's display. If you do not react to the warning, the vehicle may brake autonomously in critical situations. If you apply the brakes yourself in critical situations or depress the brake during autonomous braking, the system can provide braking assistance appropriate to the situation. The brake pressure increases up to maximum full stop braking if necessary.